In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Etsy shop performance using simple actions that help you increase sales, build momentum, and strengthen your customer experience. We're going to focus on a practical workflow you can repeat regularly, so you're not just guessing what's working in your shop. The first thing to do is open Chrome and review your historic store item metrics using your seller stats charts. This is where you start making decisions based on real performance instead of assumptions. Take time to look at which listings are getting views, favorites, clicks, and actual purchases over time. Patterns matter here. A product that gets traffic but no conversions may need improvement, while a listing that consistently brings in sales is telling you exactly what your audience wants. Monitoring these charts regularly helps you spot trends early and stay focused on what is already proven. Next, deactivate listings that simply are not selling and shift your energy toward creating new variations of your top performing products. This step is all about reducing clutter and putting your effort where it counts. If something has had enough time and visibility but still isn't moving, it may be holding your shop back. Meanwhile, your best sellers are giving you valuable direction. Create new versions based on what is already working, whether that means adjusting colors, styles, sizes, themes, or related design angles. The goal is to build on success instead of constantly starting from scratch. After that, create automated email coupon events designed to win back cart abandoners and recent item favoriters. These shoppers have already shown interest, which makes them much warmer leads than completely new visitors. A timely coupon can be the extra nudge that turns hesitation into a sale. Set these automations up carefully so they run consistently in the background. This saves time while helping you recover missed opportunities. Then, launch a conservative $1 per day Etsy ads budget targeting your top 3 converting items. This is a smart way to accelerate transaction history without overspending. By promoting products that already convert, you increase the likelihood that your ad spend supports real sales instead of testing weak listings. Keep the budget small and focused so you can gather useful data while maintaining control. Finally, deliver prompt support communication with every single buyer order to help capture 5-star organic reviews. Fast, clear, and helpful communication builds trust and improves the customer experience. Even a simple professional message can reassure buyers and make your shop feel reliable. Over time, those positive interactions can translate